Harvey AI versus Wordsmith AI. So let's start with Harvey. Harvey is a specialized AI for law firms and legal teams, built on GPT-4 and custom trained for legal workflows. So its strength is it has domain expertise, citation and reliability, and also has an enterprise-grade features, which is widely used by the top 8 over 10 US law firms, earning 70 to 75 million ARR and valued at up to $5 billion. The only downside is they have reliability issues and adoption challenges. Now, Wordsmith, on the other hand, is a natural language generation platform that turns structured data into written narratives, which is ideal for reports, financial summaries, sport recaps, and much, much more. The only features it offers is the data to text automation. It also has a fast, large scale output, a template driven flexibility, and multi language support and ease of use. The only downside is it is less creative, they have data formatting needed as well, and they have a limited advanced feature. So which one should you choose? So Harvey is good if you are in a legal profession or need expert level contract drafting and research with citations. And Wordsmith is better if you need to automate the generation of structured content like earning reports, sport recaps, and product listings.